Experts in our area say the COVID-19 diagnosis could seriously impact the health of the president and perhaps the future of the country. WSAV News 3's Kelly Antonacci spoke to a local doctor and a political science professor about the repercussions.
I think the biggest effect will be putting COVID squarely back on the front page.
Political science professor Joshua Kennedy says that amount of attention could impact the election, but it's hard to know for sure.
Of course, you've had instances where presidents have gotten sick, have had to pull back from some of their responsibilities, but it's kind of remarkable when you think about the number of people there around that, serious illness doesn't seem to happen all that frequently, at least not in a long time.
Regardless, Kennedy says the president's positive coronavirus test most likely won't impact what goes on inside the White House. He says it may impact foreign relations.
Some people said if the president is convalescing, it might make the United States appear weaker, appear vulnerable in some way, in a way that countries would like to exploit.
When it comes to the president's recovery, medical doctors like Stephen Thacker at Memorial Health say there is cause for concern. Adults older than 60 are more likely to be hospitalized or die from COVID-19.
Part of the answer is really the consequences of living with chronic diseases such as obesity, hypertension, and diabetes are really clearly associated with an increased risk of bad outcomes.
It's why he recommends always wearing a mask.
The mask, to me, is a critical and key component of reducing the spread of this virus. And while we're wearing them, it also decreases the spread of other viruses like influenza.
Kelly Antonacci, WSAV News 3, on your side.
And Dr. Thacker says recent studies show there is no evidence suggesting that wearing a mask puts you at risk for other health complications.